Hi, I'm Aaron Rahmani from ASB.
And I'm Brianna Young from KBEV. This is the week of January 14th.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Tomorrow night from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Salter Theater is the annual Wish Week talent show. Make sure to ask your teachers if they're offering extra credit for attending. Admissions is $10, however, all proceeds go directly to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Last year's prizes included Beats by Dr. Dre and more, so come out to see what this year's talent will win.
If you're interested in attending a one-day college tour to visit the Claremont Colleges and or the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising, the College Center will be taking up to 40 students for a one-day campus tour to both institutions in the spring. Spaces will fill on a first-come, first-served basis with juniors receiving priority. If you're interested in attending, come to the information session on Tuesday, January 22nd during lunch in the College Center. They will be giving out applications and permission slips.
If you're a 9th or 10th grader interested in medicine, join the Medical Science Academy. Learn more about MSA at the informational meetings all week during lunch in room S302. MSA offers exciting opportunities such as its partnerships with UCLA and Cedars-Sinai. Contact Ms. Lynch for more information.
This year's open house will be on Wednesday, January 23rd at 6 p.m. If you know any incoming 8th grade students or parents, remind them to attend open house and see all that Beverly has to offer. Remember that there is no school next Monday, January 21st due to Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Brianna Young.
And I'm Aaron Rahmani. We will see you next week.